Good morning, dear students. Greetings to you all. Let us see Unit 1 Sindbad, My First Voyage. As you all know, it is a supplementary. Now let us see the book back exercise. First, let us see the glossary. Phenomena, events, trembling, shaking, terrified, frightened, tossed, thrown about, quenched, satisfied by drinking, poured out, expressed freely, hardship, severe suffering, weakness observed. Now let us see, match the following. Here we have column A and column B. In column A, we have Green Island, Migurjan, Sindbad the sailor, Sindbad the porter, slaves. In column B, we have in the cave, huge fish, the king, voyager, poor listener. Now Green Island is huge fish, Migurjan is the king, Sindbad the sailor, voyager, Sindbad the porter, poor listener, slaves in the cave. That is the correct answers. So please match the answers in your book and you can write it in your notebook too. So Green Island is the huge fish, Migurjan the king, Sindbad the sailor, voyager. Then Sindbad the porter, poor listener, slaves in the cave. They were in the cave. Now let us see, choose the correct options from the ones. Options are given in each question. Let us choose correct answer for it. Sindbad decided to sail to the dash with some goods. Sindbad decided to sail to the dash with some goods. Persian Gulf, Mexican Gulf. It is a Persian Gulf. Second one, he was being tossed by powerful waves and was thrown on an or a dash island. He was thrown to the island. The men in the cave were all dash of the king, ministers or slaves. Slaves of the king. Fourth one, the king was a dash person, noble and kind person or mean and cruel person. Yes, the king was noble and kind person. Fifth one, the king gave many valuable dash to Sindbad, gifts or rewards. He gave gifts to Sindbad. Now read the passage and answer the questions given below. So, one day when I was standing on the port, I saw a ship approaching the port. It was the same ship which had sailed further after leaving me behind, struggling in the sea. When the captain of the ship saw me, he was greatly surprised to find me alive. He and other crew members hugged me with happiness. The captain handed over my goods to me, which had been left on the ship. This is the paragraph. It is given here. Now there are 4 questions. We have to answer from this paragraph. Now let us see the first question. Where was he standing? Where was he standing? Here we have one day when I was standing on the port, I saw a ship approaching the port. Now listen children, the first question we have, Where was he standing? Yes. In the place of I was standing, you have to write he was standing on the port. Second question, what did he see? What did he see there? Same, continue there. I saw a ship approaching the port. In the place of I, you have to write he. He saw a ship approaching the port. Now, third question. Whom did he meet on the ship and why was the person surprised? He met the captain on the ship. The person was surprised to find him alive. The answer is he met the captain on the ship. The person was surprised to find him alive. The fourth question, what did he get back from the captain? He got back his goods from the captain. He got back the goods from the captain. So please children, you have to write in your notebook. You will not be able to write in this book. If you are able, you write, otherwise you will write in the notebook. Next we have rearrange the following sentences in the correct order. It is given incorrect. Now you have to arrange it in order. Can you tell me which one will be coming the first? Yes, you look at the fifth one. My father was a rich merchant. That is the first answer. The second one is, the third one you see, a group sailed from one country to another selling goods. The third one you can see here in the sixth number. I was being tossed by the frequent powerful waves. Fourth one you can see the second one. I narrated my tale of sufferings and hardships to the king. The fifth one you can see in the first one. I longed to go back home. The sixth one, here we have the fourth one. I saw the same ship approaching the port. Seventh one and the eighth one is the same. Sinbad completed the tale of his voyage, and the eighth one, he presented the purse full of gold coins. So dear children, you can write the numbers in order. You have, as they have given, to rearrange the sentences. So you have to rearrange the following sentences. I hope children you understood how you have to rearrange the sentences. Now you can write the number here, but in the notebook you can write it in order. Then only you will know how it is coming from the flow, means from the beginning to the end. Okay. So you write in your textbook the numbers, but when you write in your notebook, you have to write it in order, correct order. Now let us see here two questions they have given, that is work in pairs and write the answers. The first question, describe the island that the ship's crew found. One day they were on board. They saw a beautiful small green island. Just to have some fun, they all got down on it. As soon as they lit the fire for cooking, they got a jerk. The island was trembling. It was not an island. It was the back of a huge animal. It got disturbed when the fire was lit on his back. So here they have said to describe the island that the ship's crew found. You have to describe what happened to that island where they lit the fire, and after lighting the fire, what happened to that island. Okay, as you all know, it was not an island, it was a huge animal. So when they lit the fire, it got a jerk. They got a jerk, and it was because the island, the animal was disturbed when it was lit fire for cooking. Okay, it got disturbed when the fire was lit on his back. You know what happened when the fire touches on your body. The second question, did Sinbad the potter enjoy his meeting with Sinbad the sailor? Why? Did he enjoy the meeting with Sinbad the sailor, and why? Okay, here we have the answer. Yes, Sinbad the potter enjoyed his meeting with Sinbad the sailor. He enjoyed the meeting with the sailor. He was listening to the amazing tale of Sinbad with all wonder. As he was narrating the story, he was listening with wonder. The rich Sinbad bade him goodbye and asked him to come the next day to hear the tale of his new voyage. He presented him a purse full of gold coin. As he was saying the goodbye, he presented him purse full of gold coins. The unexpected riches overjoyed Sinbad the potter, because the king gave him gold coins. No, it was unexpected gift. He thanked him and went home. So Sinbad the sailor thanked and he went home. Here next we have a set of words are given below. Categorize it under the appropriate columns. Here we have airport, railway station, harbour. Now the words are given on the top. You have to categorize it. Which words will go under airport and which words will go under railway station and the harbour. You all know. Okay, you have to take and write it. Now airport. When you say airport, what will come first? The pilot. Okay, then we have third we have air hostess. Fourth we have visa. Fifth one cockpit. Okay, all these will come to airport. Next we have railway station. Railway station, when you say, what comes here? TTE. Then we have compartment. Then we have engine driver. Fourth we have platform. Fifth we have porter. All these comes under railway station. Now third column we have harbour. In the harbour, what are the things come? Crew. Second one anchor. Fourth one deck. Fourth one helmsman. Fifth one captain. So all these comes under this airport, railway station and harbour. Now let us see here. Remember, write in short paragraph with headings and all those things we have. Now let us see. Look at the picture. Circle the dangerous actions of pedestrians on or near the road. Discuss in group and write down the pedestrian road safety rules. The safety rules are given. Road safety, no? Road safety rules make our driving better experience. As a responsible citizen, we are to obey traffic rules and pay attention to the road signs. All of us has to pay attention to the safety rules, the road rules. Everyone should follow, from small to big. It is not only all those who are driving the vehicle has to follow, but everyone should follow the rules which we know in order to take care of ourselves. The first one we have, cross the road after looking at both ways. Both the sides you have to cross the road. Don't run on the streets and roads. You cannot run on the streets and the roads. Why? You don't know when the vehicle comes. Anytime it comes. So you have to observe what is happening on the road. So you don't run on the streets and the roads. Read and interpret road safety signs. you have to learn, and you have to know about the safety of following the rules, and you can interpret to others also. While walking, use only the sidewalks. Okay, while walking, you don't use a full road, you have to use the footpath. Fifth one, cross the road only at zebra crossing. Children, if it is possible, you can write it in your textbook. If not, you have to write it in your notebook. Thank you.